morning students. In last class we have discussed about evolution and also we have discussed about some of the matters of speciation and their explanation. Now in this class we are going to discuss about evidences of evolution. How do we come know whether the evolution is occurred, that is from simplicity to complexity the organization is occurred. How do we come know? What are the evidences do we have? That is we are going to discuss under evidences of evolution. So as we know that the organisms which are existing at present and fossils, as we know that what is fossil means the small traces of organisms, dead organisms of plants and animals. What do they are called? Fossils. So what is fossil means? Small traces, that is remains of plants and animals which are dead. So that is called as fossil. So the organisms which are present now and the fossils, they have some of the similarities. What do they have? Similarities, and these similarities helps us to know that organization evolution and the relation between the evolution. How the whether the evolution is occurred or not, and what is the relation in between the organisms, that we can obtain by studying that evidences. What do we have? So under that, so the evidences are of like three types. What are the three types of evidences do we have to know or to study about that evolution evidences? So morphological and anatomical evidence, that is one, and next embryology. This is also another important evidence, and next paleontology. So these are the three different evidences which we have, and that helps us to know the relation between the organisms which are present now and already exist, that is already exist from the nature. So what is the relation is present and how the organization is occurring between them. That evolutionary evidences we are studying under these three concepts. Now we are going to discuss about morphology and anatomical evidences. So morphological and anatomical, under that the structure and their functional similarities and dissimilarities, that is we are going to discuss under this morphological and anatomical evidence. Number one, so let us see that under morphological structures. So there are two types, homologous and analogous. So these are the two evidences which we have. So let us say what is the homologous and analogous. So this evolution which is occurred homologous and analogous, what they also called, that is we are going to discuss now. First, what is homologous? So homologous organs. So homologous organs are the organs which are, they have similar in structure origin and different in their function. Then that type of organs are called as homologous organs. So what is homologous means? The organs, origin of organs, structure is similar. So what it is? The structure is similar. So structure is similar and difference in the function. Difference in the function. That type of organs are called as homologous organs. So the origin structure of organs, they show the similarity. What they are showing? Similarity. And what is they are showing? The variation is different in their function. They are similar in structure but different in their function. such type of organs are called as homologous organs. For example, if you observe the four limbs are hand, what we call it is hands. All together in skeletal system they are called limb. So upper limb and lower limb are four limbs. So four limbs of frog, and also we can see that four limbs of lizard, four limbs of bird, and four limbs of human beings. Now let us see what are the similarities and dissimilarities which are found. So if you take four limb of frog, next four limb of lizard, next four limbs of bird, so if you take the four limbs of four different organisms, so four limbs, so the origin of these organisms, organs are same location, and what is their function is different. So if you observe the upper limb of the frog or four limb, it is, as we know that, humerus, and this is what it is also called humerus. And in case of here also humerus in birds as well as in human beings, and this is called ulna, and here it is called ulna, and this part is called as radius, and here also it is called radius, and this is the radius, and this is the radius. So if you observe the joints which we have found in case of birds as well as in human beings as well as in case of frog and lizard, so their origin is similar in structure, and what is the variation they are showing is their function is different. So as we know that the four limbs of the frog, it helps to leap on the ground, that is its function, and if you take the four limbs of the lizard, it helps to creep on the wall, that is its function, and four limbs of the bird, it helps in flying, and the four limbs of the human beings, what is the function? to grasp the things. So that is what. So if you observe these diagrammatic showing the variation is their function, but structurally they all are consisting of humerus, and they also consisting of ulna and radius, and also they consisting of carpels. That's what they are showing the variation in their function, but they are showing the similarity in their origin and their structure. That's why this type of organs which are showing their similarity in their structure and its origin and showing the variation in their function, such type of organs are called as homologous organs. This type of from similar structure to the variant function, this type of evolution is called as divergent evolution. What type of evolution it is called? Divergent evolution. So what is divergent evolution means? The origin which is taking from similarity in their structure and its origin and showing the variation in their function. That is the evolution which we call as divergent evolution. This is what homologous organ. The same homologous condition also we can observe in plants also. So if you observe in case of plants, for example, passiflora. In case of plants, passiflora. So this is a leaf of passiflora. So what is the specialty? It is a creeper. So what is happening here? The stem of this plant is modified into tendril. The stem is modified into tendril, and this gives structural support. But basically this tendril is formed from the stem. This tendril which is formed here is originated. That is formed of stem. That is stem is diverted or converted into tendril in giving support to climb or creep the plant on its support. That is we can see in passiflora. And also we can see another plant, bougainvillea. So bougainvillea is another important plant that is showing the variation. In the same way, it is also showing that stem variation. So, in case of bougainvillea, so in bougainvillea plant, what is happening here? So they show thorns. They are developed thorns. So this thorn which is formed in case of bougainvillea plant, it is also modification of the stem only, but it is functionally it is giving protection to the plant. That is what we can say as a homologous. Why? Because it is also one of the stem which is modified or changed to give the protection of the plant. That is what. So some of the similarities also found, but their function is different. In passiflora, stem is modified into tendril, and in case of bougainvillea, the stem is modified into thorn. Both are structural origin is stem only, but what is their function is different. Understand? That is homologous organ. So which you can see in case in between frog, forelimb, lizard, bird, and human beings. So frog uses its forelimb to leap on around the ground, and lizard uses its forelimb to creep on the wall, and bird uses forelimbs to fly, and human beings use its forelimbs to grasp the things. That is a homologous organ. Now, another important types of organs, that is analogous organs. This is morphological evidences we are studying now. Now, another important is analogous organs. So analogous. So reverse to the homologous. So these are original structure is different. Original structure is different. And what is the similarity is their function. What? Function is same. That type of organs are called as analogous organs. What it is called? Analogous organs. So what is analogous organs means? The organs which are original, its structure is different, but its function is the same. That type of organs are called as analogous organs. So for these analogous organs, we can take example of so if you take wings of the bat and wings of the bird. So under these comparison, so here we can see that their structure organization is going to be different. See, so if you observe wings of the bat and wings of the bird, so they are showing the variation in their structure. They are showing the variation in their structure. But what is the use of the wings of the bat? To fly. And wings of the bird? To fly. But is it both are exactly is there you actually, so in bat as well as in case of birds, the wings of these two, their structure is showing difference, but they are showing their function is same. And also we can take butterfly. So butterfly is also having wing-like structure, but actually they are not wings. But what is the function of the wings of the butterfly? They also helps in flying. That is what. So the structure is showing the differences. Structure is showing the difference, and function is same. And bat and bird's wings. The bat consisting of a skin folding in between the fingers. If you observe the fingers in between, there is a skin, patagium is found. That is found in case of bat, but it is not found in case of bird. And they consisting of feathers. That is total, the structure is different, but they are showing the function is same. So one form of the organism is converted into another form to carry out same function. That type of evolution is called as convergent evolution. It is called as convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. This is what we can see that homologous and analogous organs under morphological evidence of the evolution. Now, anatomical evidences. So, as we have learned the organ system of organization, under that different organisms they have different organ system. Here, if you see under anatomical evidences of evolution, different organisms are showing different organ system. For example, if you take circulatory system, so the circulatory system, if you take the lowest animals like sponges, they don't have any type of circulatory system. But later on development of the organ system, for example, take fishes. The fishes consisting of, as we know that the heart is playing a key role in the transport of the blood and which is supplied throughout the body parts. So, based on the chambers, the heart consisting of various chambers from one organism to another organism and which is performing the same function. Whether it is 2 chamber, 3 chamber or 4 chamber, any chamber they consisting of. But what is the function of the heart is to pump blood to various body parts. So if you take fishes, they consisting of 2 chamber heart. Next, amphibians like frog, they consisting of 3 chamber heart. And next, some of the reptiles, not all reptiles, like crocodile, they consisting of. So some of the reptiles, except like crocodile, birds, and mammals. These are consisting of 4 chamber heart. So in this way we can see that the anatomical means structural evidences are showing that clearly from without heart transportation system which is found in lower level organ system organs. What is happening here? They have not developed any heart to supply. That is, the transport system is not clearly developed. But in case of later on, under evolution process, the fishes they have developed heart which is consisting of 2 chambers, and later on it is developed as 3 chamber heart in amphibians, and in case of reptiles like crocodile and also birds and mammals, the heart is developed into 4 chambers. In this way we can see that the evolution is the showing variation that is occurred in different organs of different organism. That is what the evolution and its evidence is morphology and anatomical. Next, in next class we will discuss about evidence like embryology and